12 to 30 to 40 to 50.
Did you say you're growing up?
Yes.
How old are you now?
4.
4. Where are we going to go for a ride right now?
To see the rocks.
Okay, let's go see the rocks. Clark's going to go see the rocks at 4 years old. You going to go see the rocks at 4 years old?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a high five. Good job. Okay, you ready? Let's go see the rocks. Clark wants to go see the rocks. They're right up there. Here, Clark, I'm going to let you drive here. Just hold the steering wheel. I'm going to give you a little push and you drive. We're going to go up and see the rocks. When he was a year old, we used to do this. Now he's not a year old anymore. Right, Clark?
I am a year old.
Huh. Now you're how old?
4.
You're 4 now. Look at that. You're driving now. 4-year-old and you're driving the wagon, aren't you? All right. Good job. Good job. Now let's go see the rocks. When you were young, you used to like to come see these rocks, didn't you? You want to get out and see them?
Yes.
Get out. Good job. All right. What you want to see?
The rocks. There's some snakes in there.
Well, you just have to watch. You just have to watch. Where are you going?
This high.
Huh?
1, 2, 3.
You going high?
Rocks.
All right. Remember you used to come and stack rocks up? Remember that?
Yeah.
This is new. Look. These wood chips on these rocks.
Woods.
These are wood chips, aren't they?
Wood chips.
All right, you ready to go back to the house?
Not yet.
Not yet?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I walked all the way to 7.
Okay.